Welcome back to Do-It-Myself Garage. I've got these old light fixtures in the garage here. I had replaced my fluorescents with LEDs, and then I still had these three here. You can see I got one burned out. And then, hey, what's that daisy up there? I just got these. I believe I got them off of Amazon or maybe Temu. But here, let me show you how bright that thing is. That is ridiculous, actually, how bright that is. So I'm going to install that same LED bulb in all three of these. Yeah, I didn't show myself installing that one. That one was a little precarious. Let's get these other three installed and see what the difference it makes here in the garage. All right, let me show you these lights. I'll find a link to these. Take it out of the box here. So just a garage light, 360 degree coverage, 90 degrees. These leaves, depending on how you want to light your area, you can adjust them. And I can't remember how many watts these were. Let me look real quick. Probably don't even have the rating on here. Beam, adjustable. Does not say how many watts they are. It's interesting. Now there's a, get it nice and close here. There's this plastic cap on here. Be sure you pull that off. Pull this cap off of there. I've seen videos of people not taking the caps off of batteries. Yeah, that would be bad if you didn't take that off of there. Let's go ahead and replace another light that's up on the ceiling here. And see what we get. Maybe it says on here how many watts it is. Input. AC. 85 to 265 volts. That's interesting. 50 or 60 hertz. That's really interesting. So you could use these in a lot of applications. All right. Do not install this with the light switch turned on. Okay? Has nothing to do with getting electrocuted. But when I installed that one over there, I about blinded myself. Because there is no switch. There's, these don't turn on and off other than with the switch. So they are bright. So screw this in. And I think I'm going to leave that one. I want the light going down. This other one I kind of want the light going out. So I'm going to leave them tipped up at a little bit of an angle here. Not like that. See how that does. Turn the light on. Wow. All right. Nice and bright. Let's do the other two. All right, let's light this place up. Turn that switch on. Oh, nice. That is really nice. Let me look at the camera. Do I have any strobing? I don't see any strobing from those either, which is good, because you never can be quite sure with LEDs if you're going to get strobing. And wow, that's going to get so much nicer for working out here. These lights are nice because they're kind of near the messy workbench, but they're kind of near the workbench. But further back in the bay, there's really not a lot of light. Now they are kind of in between the cars, which is nice. They're above the cars. All they would do is cast shadows. So, no, I think that should work good. That should work really good. I'll put a link to those in the description if I can find them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. That was a successful project for once.